Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to recover permanently deleted emails in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and here go to the deleted item folder and you can see the all emails. Okay, so here I'm going to delete this first all emails. Okay, select the one email here. Okay, and then press the Ctrl A to select the all emails. After that, just press the delete key. There's a first way you can delete the emails, and the second way, right click on the mouse and here have a delete option. Just click on delete and this will be permanently deleted. Do you want to continue? Just click on yes. That's it. You can see the all emails, all deleted emails is permanently deleted. Now I just recovered this all email. Just click on this option, recover item recently removed from this portal. Just click on it and here you can see the all deleted emails. Okay. Select the all emails. Just click on the select all option and make sure the first option is selected, restore selected items. And after that, just click on OK and wait for the few seconds. Okay. Wait for the few seconds. That's it. You can see all permanently deleted emails is recovered here quickly in deleted item folder. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.